Welcome, today in front of me HONOR Magic4 Lite, and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first open the settings application and then tap here to Wi-Fi section. After that you'll see here this Wi-Fi switcher, and just to activate Wi-Fi you should click here once on the switcher, and after that you can see all the available networks here. For example, let's use this first one and you should enter here the password, and if you want to see this password you should click here on this icon. I'll enter it out of screen. After that you should click here to connect. Now we can see that our device successfully connected to this network. If you want to select another one by the same way, you should click to network and enter the password and tap to connect. After that you will see them here in saved networks list, and you can switch between them if you want. If you want to turn off the Wi-Fi, you should click here once again on this Wi-Fi switcher, and that's it. Also, the second way how we can do that, just first we should open notification panel shortcuts, and just to activate Wi-Fi you should click here once on the switcher to launch the Wi-Fi settings. Hold for a while this with the icon, and now by the same way select the network, enter the password and tap to connect. Just to turn off Wi-Fi from here you should click here once again on this Wi-Fi icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.